moving forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor. Our family, I'd like to stand here to support you all the way. And all of this I can do by the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, with them as our witness.
Finally, after all the challenges, conflicts, we have followed the hidden conquering. While preparing for this special event of our lives, we are now siguro sobrang grateful tayo kasi di na tayo pinagawaran. Kahit nung may mga sablay tayo while we're in the process ng training kasi both of us has no idea what to do. So, delay man siya ng isang linggo, never niya tayo pinabayaan, mas binas niya tayo. Para mas maayos yung nasikas na natin yung mga bagay-bagay na special sa finances. And of course, aside from God, I want to thank you. Kasi sa pagiging handsome mo sa pag-asikas mo sa lalo. Thank you sa sobrang stress na ako. Sa pagpuplano. You are a great partner and I appreciate you a lot. You are God's living testimony telling me that regardless of life's shortcomings, regardless of when there are times that I am very unlovable, you love me. Despite every imperfections and despite all the toil and papa, you love me. From this day forward, as I leave everything behind for a new life together, I vow to always choose you, to always cook for you and to cater to you. I look forward to go on travels with you out of town and making yourself a version of it. Ngayon lang tampuhan, minsan natawin namin nangyari sa atin, and I promise in the end of the day, ikaw at ikaw ka lang pipiliin ko araw-araw na makasama at mahalin natin. Let's continue to praise, worship, seek, and put God in the center of our marriage. I am excited to start a family with you with God's blessing. And for me to be able to see Joshua, or si Christian.
Palakpakan naman natin. Balayin ko natin yung waiting pa sa yung sisig. Okay, ang sisig po ay simbolo ng commitment. And on
Dance! 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 Tina! Dance! Dance! Tina! Dance! Dance! Tina! Dance!
Sa parents ng ating bride. And this time, tawagin naman natin ang mga pagkailangan, principal sponsors. Palakpakan niyo naman ang ating mga principal sponsors. Ang hirap papalakpak ng ating mga guests. To start, let me have Sir Reynaldo Opeña together with Miss Gemma Carbonell. Come on! Once again, we have Reynaldo Opeña and Gemma Carbonell. Palakpakan niyo naman guys ang ating principal sponsors. Kasayaw po! Mataguts!
Sayo naman!
Mataguts! I did good. Thank you so much. And next, we have Kina Almira Cruz, or Julie Abayan, together with Miss Leticia Espino. Halika na, guys. I did good. Get up. 1, 2, 3, go. I did nothing. I did good. I did nothing. Thank you so much. And next we have Miss Berga Silva together with Ninong. Ninong Joseph, come on, guys. Sorry. Ninong Zanaida and Ninong Joseph. Lower. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman ang ating mga principal sponsors, everyone. And tawagin natin si Nate Acasa and Raymond Jeremiah Jr. Come on! Asa na si Nate Acasa and Raymond Jeremiah Jr.? Hey. Thank you so much. And next we have Ray, Mary, and Ron, Ian, Corsanes. Come on. Asan po si Ray, Mary? Wala pa. DJ, sino natin music? Ano gusto mo sa iyo? May parang na-request ka. Kahit ano daw, lalaban daw siya. Yan na. Ready ka na ba, sir? Okay na po. Hey, palakpakan niyo naman, guys! Napaka-traditional ang kanyang sayaw. And the next one that we're gonna call is April Castañares and PX Cruz. April Castañares and PX Cruz. Halika na. Ayan. Kaya na yan. Kapanahunan natin yan. Hey. Sige ba? Ganyan. Thank you so much. And next. We have the maid of honor, the best man, together with her friend. Hey. Lower. Thank you so much, guys. Alam mo, nag-train pa kayo dahil na ang ginawa nyo. And now, guys, I want you to rise. Tayo-tayong lahat. At gusto ko salubungin natin ang may kasamang masigabong palakpakan ang ating bride and groom. Sample, kaya may kasamang hiyawan. Yun na yun, guys. Kung ako ang kinasal, hindi ko kayo papakainin. So guys, yung may kasamang hiyawan at sigawan. And 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let us all welcome our bride and groom, Chris and Shan! Isa
regalo natin yun.
So guys, this time, we will witness the cake cutting
Yan sa kotse.
of the bride and groom. Halika na, bride and groom. Sa ating waiters, pa-assist po tayo sa cake cutting. So this time, Shan and Chris, lapit kayo dito sa inyong cake. Sa ating waiters, pahingi ako ng pang-cake cutting, guys. So while we are waiting, ayan. The VIP will have their meals served. So hindi niya na po kailangan tumayo. So sa ating mga parents po ni bride and groom, dito po kayo maupo. Kasama ng inyong mga kumare, kumpare. Ayan, yung mga parents po, dito po kayo para po makausap niyo ang inyong mga kumare at kumpare. Dito po kayo. Mga ninongs and ninangs, ito po bakante pa. Dito po kay pastor. Dito po kay pastor, huwag po kayo mahihiya. Maganda po ang kumare at kumpare ipinagdadasal kayo. Halika po. Dito po. Bakante pa dito ha, kay pastor.
Tita, pero magpinsan yung namin, press ka namin. So, ang mag-fire mo lang, as ka din yun nga, maging center is sa relationship mo and lahat mag-fall in place. And, please, no exchange policy, no return policy, okay? Yun. Tapos kay Shendy, medyo, alam ko kapakan yan kasi parehas kami February na yun. So, yun, medyo, alam ko naman na ngayon, kaya mo siya i-handle and siya, kaya na rin niya i-handle ko ano sa sarili. Yun, congratulations.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Actually, hindi talaga dapat ako ang best man. The best man was supposed to be my dad. Unfortunately, he's not around, but I know this is a very understanding man, and he will take my presence as presents for my dad. And since, congratulations, no? I'm very happy. Congratulations po. Advice lang po, since hindi naman po ako married,
And next naman, syempre, ang mother ng ating bride. Sige na po, minsan lang ikakasal ang inyong anak. Thank you so much, Mother. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga principal sponsors and also the parents of the bride and the groom. Tawagin natin once again yung maid of honor and yung best man. Alright. Thank you so much. And huwag niyo muna kakainin kasi dapat makita ng ating mga guests ang pagsubo niyo ng cake. Come on, guys. Lapit kayo dito. Harap kayo sa inyong mga guests. Harap kayo sa inyong mga guests, guys. So, mauuna mo ang subuan ni Shan, si Chris. Yes. Ganyan.